This evening, most Jamaicans against payment for taking COVID vaccine. The findings of the latest RGR Gleaner Don Anderson poll. Pfizer on pause, administering of COVID-19 vaccine brand to be discontinued until further notice. Health Minister explains why. And later, no movement, no pay. Employers withholding pay for lockdown days.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, after 4 weeks, what is your view on the effectiveness of the lockdowns? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.